This is a video to explain to you how to create a map of your iconic landforms or landscapes that you have included. So, like your sheet says, you need to do some research and find some iconic landforms and landscapes to create a top 10 list, remembering that at least 3 of your chosen lists need to be from Australia. To do this, you need to open up a new Google Sheet. So go into your Google Drive, go New and New Sheet. So you've got an untitled spreadsheet. So I've created one already. Call your spreadsheet significant landforms or landscapes, whatever you want to call it. And you are going to have your landform name or your site name, what country it's found in, its latitude and its longitude. Now, latitude and longitude are lines that exist on the world map that give each place in the world two numbers so that they can be found easily. We'll go into what this is later on in humanities, but know that your latitude is going to have an N or an S at the end of it for north and south, and your longitude is going to have an E or a W at the end of it for east and west. Okay, so once you've found your significant landforms or landscapes, you need to write them down in this list. So here's a few I've done. So Uluru, Half Dome, Grand Canyon and the Great Wall of China. You then need to find their latitude and longitude. So to do this is easy. Just open up a new Google tab, type in Uluru, latitude and longitude, hit search, and it will come straight up there. So all you need to do is copy these and paste them into your spreadsheet like I've done. Once you've got all 10, you're ready to create your map. So go back to your Google Drive again. You're going to go New, More, Google My Maps. And this will give you a blank map of the world. Now there's 2 ways you can import your data. The first way is easy, but at the moment that's not working. I'm going to show you how to do it, so in case it does work tomorrow, you can get it done quickly. So what we're going to do is we're going to import a layer. So you go Import from your Google Drive and you find your spreadsheet. So this is mine, significant landforms. So click on that and go select. So this says that you need to select the columns that's going to tell us where to place the markers. Alright, so for that you need to tick your latitude column and your longitude column. You go continue. Now you need to pick a column that you're going to use for the title of each place mark. So for this we're going to use the site name because that will give you what your significant landform or landscape is called. Then you just go finish. Now this is the issue that's happening at the moment. It's coming up with a server error. I'm not sure why it's doing that. So if it comes up with that, you need to place each landmark itself. So to do that, it's going to take a bit longer. You put your cursor into the search bar, go to your Google Sheet, highlight your latitude and longitude number for one site. So this is the one for Uluru. You copy that, so press Control C. You go back to your map, you put that in, press search, and it will find your significant landform or landscape. And then if you click on it, you say add to map. So that's given you your place mark for Uluru. Now we need to put the information into here. So we want to edit and we want to say this is Uluru, Australia. Okay, and underneath you might even want to write why it's iconic. Okay, so you save that. Okay, and then we need to add a picture of your significant land form. So you go add image or video, and you can search for the image's URL. So open up your Google tab again, go to images, we just want images of Uluru, find an image that you like the look of, that's quite pretty, go view image and it'll give you its URL. So you just copy that, paste it into your URL, loads it, and go select. Oh, okay, it was just lagging a little bit. So it's got 2 there now. Right, sorry, it was just lagging a bit. So you just trash one. So now you've got the latitude and longitude, a picture of it, the title, and underneath why it's significant. So you want to save that now, and we've got our first landform done. Okay, I'll do it again for another one. So you go to the search, you go to your Google Sheet, you copy your latitude and longitude, paste it into search, go search, and it finds Half Dome. Okay, so click on the place marker, say add to map. Then you edit it, and you want to go Half Dome, USA, and underneath you can say this is significant because, and why you put it as significant. So you go save, add an image, go to your search, search Half Dome, USA, and it comes up with the pictures of it. So you find one that you like, just loading, right, find one that you think shows it as a significant landform, view image, copy that, paste it, and go select. And then it should come up. It's just lagging a bit. So we've got 2 place markers. Okay, so you've got your Half Dome and you've got Uluru. Alright, and then you just continue that until all of your significant sites are placed on the map.